Hi lovers, if you wanna see how I installed this ginger orange hair, keep on watching. So guys, this is the box which the hair came with, and this hair it's 100% Yuma hair, and it's 15 density with it's 12 inches. This is the description of the hair, and is a frontal wig. As you can see, it has Terry oak inside. What I like about this wig is that the lace wig is so brown, like it's really matched to my skin, and I love that. Yeah, so what I'm doing right now, so guys, I'm just trying to, the front of the lace wig is really not bad to start with. Yeah, it's really not bad, but it's not really plucked to my taste, so I decided to pluck it a little bit, just a little, because it's not that bad. So after plucking it, yeah. So guys, the next thing I do, try to spray my got to be spray on my hair. I don't really use wig cap when I'm taking my wig down. Like, I don't really like it, I don't know why, but yeah. So the next thing, I'm just going to wear my wig and trying to hook the parts that have the hook so it will not fall down. You know what I'm saying? This hair is really nice, but I have a quite problem with the hair. The hair does not really look like 150 density. It's look like maybe 100 or 130. It's really not food to my taste, and the cutting is not to my taste. It's not like it was described in the website. That is my problem, but all the same, the hair still look nice. As you can see, I'm also spraying my got to be to it. You know, you need to apply it 2 times. You know, some people, when they are laying their wig down, they just like, after spraying their got to be, they tie it for some time, blah blah blah, or use a hand dryer to do that. But for me, it's just, I'm just a different person. And yeah, I take this my razor and I use it to cut the excess frontal that is in the front. Sorry, I was filming this thing, I was looking down to the mirror, so I did not know the camera was really not directed to where it's supposed to be directed to. But all the same, this is what I was doing. I was trying to cut the excess lace out of the wig. And thereafter, guys, I try to press the wig down. I don't know if it's a press or wherever. I try to press it down to my scalp to like make it glue. You know what I'm saying? And of course, guys, you know, you need to clean the front of it so the excess glue, the front is not going to look messy and all of that. So this is what I'm trying to do. I'm cleaning the glue that came to my face, yeah, for it to look neat, 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 neat. And the next I'm doing in the video is I'm trying to straighten it. Okay, I straightened this hair up to 3 times. I don't know, don't blame me for that. I just want it to be straight to my taste. And yeah, the frontal came out the way I expected it. Like, it was so lit. Can you see that? You see what I'm talking about? Yeah, I love the way it came out though. I did not do my edges. I'm not really that edges type. Then I just decided to take the hot comb and try to press it more down, you know, to look flat to the way I want it to be. And guys, it's looking flat to my expectation or the way I want it, and I actually love it. Tell me in the description, tell me in the comment section, sorry, what if you like the hair. And this is me talking to myself, neglect it. Okay, I was trying to do my makeup, so I will show you guys the final look. And please guys, don't forget to like this video. Liking is free, okay? Please just give it a very big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tell me what you think about this lovely and sweet hair. Damn, look at your brow. I'm glowing. I'm shy, stop that. So guys, I'm looking fine, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye. I love you. Mwah.